Let's unmask the voice. Active versus passive. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to unravel one of the fundamental aspects of English grammar: converting passive voice to active voice. Understanding the difference between these two voices is essential for effective communication, as it allows us to provide more detail and clarity in our sentences. So, let's dive in. First things first, we need to understand what passive and active voices are. In active voice, the subject of the sentence performs the action expressed in the verb. In contrast, in the passive voice, the subject is acted upon by the verb. Active: the dog, subject; chased, verb; the cat, object. Passive: the cat, subject, was chased, verb, by the dog, object. The secret to transforming passive sentences into active ones is to switch the roles of the subject and the object. The doer of the action, the object in the passive sentence, becomes the subject in the active sentence. The receiver of the action, the subject in the passive sentence, becomes the object. Passive: the letter, subject, was mailed, verb, by John, object. Active: John, subject, mailed, verb, the letter, object. Now, it's your turn. Let's practice converting passive voice sentences to active voice. Here are some examples. 1. Passive: the book was read by Mary. Active. 2. Passive: the cake was eaten by the children. Active: remember, the doer becomes the subject and the receiver becomes the object. Well done, everyone. We've covered the basics of converting passive voice to active voice. Practice is the key to mastering this concept, so don't hesitate to create your own sentences for more practice. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll be able to switch between active and passive voice with ease. See you in our next lesson. Note: the answers to the exercise are: 1. Active: Mary read the book. 2. Active: the children ate the cake.